Partial differentiation. Notes: in the previous topic, we have learned functions of single variable y equal to z bracket x y. Notation of partial derivatives are: first, partial derivative of z with respect to x delta z over delta x means regard all letter as constant and just differentiate the x part. Second, partial derivative of z with respect to y delta z over delta y means regard all letter as constants and just differentiate the y part. Partial differentiation first order. So these are 3 example questions for this topic. So the first one is, if z equals to 2x squared minus 3y over x plus 2y, then find delta z over delta x and delta z over delta y. So the first step is using u, 2x squared minus 3y, then find delta u over delta x and delta u over delta y. So v, take x plus 2y, then find delta v over delta x and delta v over delta y, so we can get answers. So the next step is using quotient rule. The formula is v times delta u over delta x minus u times delta v over delta x divided by v square, then put the value into the formula. Then we can get the answers. For delta z for delta x is 2x squared plus 8xy plus 3y over bracket x plus 2y squared. Same as delta z over delta y, just using the same formula and put the value into the formula. Then just calculate it. Example 2. If z bracket xy equals to x squared sine bracket 2x plus 3y, find delta z over delta x and delta z over delta y. For this question, we must use product rule. But first, we must find delta u over delta x, delta u over delta y, and delta v over delta x and delta v over delta y. For u, take x squared. Then we find delta u over delta x is 2x, delta u over delta y is 0. For v, we take sine bracket 2x plus 3y, but we must use extended trigonometric rule. Then you can get delta v over delta x is 2 cos bracket 2x plus 3y. Delta v over delta y is 3 cos bracket 2x plus 3y. For delta x over delta x, using formula product rule, u times delta u over delta x plus v times delta v over delta x. We just put the value into the formula. X squared times 2 cos bracket 2x plus 3y plus sine bracket 2x plus 3y times 2x. So we get the answer for delta z over delta x, 2x squared cos bracket 2x plus 3y plus 2x sine bracket 2x plus 3y. It is same for delta z over delta y. Just using the product rule formula, x squared plus 3 cos bracket 2x plus 3y plus sine bracket 2x plus 3y. Then we get the answer for delta z over delta y, 3x squared cos bracket 2x plus 3y plus sine 2x plus 3y. Example 3. If z bracket x y equals to ln bracket 3x squared plus 3y, then find delta z over delta x and delta z over delta y. To find delta z over delta x, using formula extended rule, we just write 1 over 3x squared plus 3y times delta over delta x bracket 3x squared plus 3y. So we must differentiate dx. Then it'll become 1 over 3x squared plus 3y times by 6x. Then we get the answer 6x over 3x squared plus 3y. Just simplify, so it become 2x over x squared plus y. That's the answer for delta z over delta x. To find delta z over delta y, just the same using formula extended rule. 1 over 3x squared plus 3y times delta over delta y, bracket 3x squared plus 3y. Just differentiate dy, so we get 1 over 3x squared plus 3y times by 3. Then we get the answers 3 over 3x squared plus 3y. Just simplify, it become 1 over x squared plus y. Exercise question. If z bracket xy equals to 2x plus y over x plus y, then find delta z over delta x and delta z over delta y. Exercise question. If z bracket xy equals to 2x plus y over x plus y, then find delta z over delta x and delta z over delta y. Exercise question. If z bracket xy equals to 2x plus y over x plus y, then find delta z over delta x and